Today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, we're going to make Buntut Ares, which is basically oxtail with banana trunk. I've boiled up the oxtail just in a simple stock. It's just clear water. I've brought up the boil, I've thrown the water out and then refreshed it again. I've added a little bit of shallot and a little bit of garlic and a little bit of ginger in there, a bit of pepper, and then just boiled it until it's nice and soft and tender. So grab our Ares and then we're just going to salt it and mix that salt in so it really takes out the moisture of these things. And we just leave that for about 10 minutes and then we'll end up with something that looks like this. And you can see how it's broken down. So what's really important with this is squeeze out the water and also wash it because it's going to have all that salt content in it. So I've got the bumbu gede here which I've made. Have that barley smell as I always talk about. I'm just going to turn on the stove now and heat that up and start to cook off the paste. Let's pop a bit of oil in here. So while that's cooking, I'm going to add in a little bit of lemongrass, add in my salam leaf, add in some wawang, a little bit of coriander, lots of black pepper because Balinese love black pepper. Start to cook that out. Okay, now I'm going to add in a little bit of my oxtail, mix that through. And if you don't want to use oxtail, you want to use maybe short rib beef or something like that, you could use that, but definitely you need to use a braising beef. Add in our stock. There we go. And bring that up to the boil. So we're going to add our Ares and then let that simmer for about another 15-20 minutes. Put our lid back onto here. So I think this is ready. We've cooked this for about 20 minutes now. And I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt. Let's just take this. It's a really hearty sort of soup, this one. So it's a great one to do if you're not feeling so well and you feel a bit of comfort food in the tropics. It's very rustic. And then we can just put a deep fried shallot on here. And here we have our Buntut Ares Balinese soup.